Hi, I'm Kavin. This month's box is Secret Agent, and here are quickly 4 activities in the box. The first activity is a forensic kit in which your child will learn how to observe different people and identify key elements about them, followed by collecting different fingerprints from different surfaces. The second activity is Let's Code. Here, your child will be able to learn how to write different secret coded messages that only they can decode, and as they go on, they can build higher levels of secret coded messages with their friends. The third activity is a mini vault, which is a super simplified version of the Da Vinci code that your child will be able to make on their own. Once they make it, they can store their secret messages inside this, or also secret objects which they want to reveal only to people that they know, using a unique code that they will be able to set. The final activity is a storybook, which is called The Case of the Missing Bicycle. Benji loses his cycle somewhere and needs the help of his friends to find it. These 4 activities are going to be super exciting for your child. Go get your box now.